here are some additional ideas I had for expanding to different kinds of learning content. For example, students can use graphs for all sorts of things in the garden. They can track the development and growth of their plants using graphs. We can also use ratios to compare growth rates. Of course, students can measure the plant's growth with rulers, and that involves different types of units like inches and centimeters. And students can also explore multiplication and division concepts through plant propagation. We can grow our own plants through these propagation methods and explore how plants can do this naturally. And of course, there is automatic connections to English language arts and science concepts as well.